Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a must because I have been keeping you guys hanging for far too long. So let's go ahead and get on in to the video. You guys, I honestly cannot believe that after so long of wanting to tell you guys this, that the time has finally come. Alrighty guys, the cat's out of the bag and I am so excited for all of my friends and my family and my new friends here on YouTube to know what is going on in my life. That way I don't have to feel like I am being so vague. However, I will preface this video with the fact that still to hold my privacy and my family's privacy, there will be a little bit of vagueness. So if you know exactly what is going on, please respect my family's wishes and keep it between you and I. Just know I am so excited, and with each video, you guys will get a little bit more info on what exactly is going on. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so the first thing is we are packing up our entire house, selling our house, and moving from the West Coast all the way to the East Coast. It's going to be crazy. This has been a work in progress for just over 2 years, and the pandemic hit and our plans have changed. We are going to be moving to a state that we have never lived before. I've been there. My husband and kids have not, but we are so excited about what is to come in our new future. So I did just want to let you guys know we are moving. However, it is going to be a little bit slow going, and that is just because we need to make sure that every single puzzle piece fits. We are probably shy 10 puzzle pieces. So I ask that you bear with me, and as I can give you guys information, know that I will do my very best to give it to you exactly how it's coming to me. I don't want this video to be too long, but I do want to give you guys some super fun details about this move. Okay, so the very first super fun detail is we have purchased land, a lot of land. I'm going to leave that detail out of this video, but I promise it is coming in a future video. Just know we have purchased a lot of land. The second thing is we are building, so my guess is probably a year from now, give or take, we will be in our new home. What are some other fun details? We are planning chickens, and we are planning to be as off the grid as possible without being off the grid, if that makes sense. If the option or opportunity arises, I will still be working remotely as of our move date, which you guys will hear, in the future. I will no longer be employed with my current job. That's okay. With new things come new hats, and with new hats come, like I just said, new opportunities. My kids will still be going to school remotely from home, minus my oldest because she will be graduated, so that is another cool thing. And we are basically just going to be starting anew. We will have my family of 6, our dog, and our cat. We thought about rehoming our cat. However, if we do rehome our cat, she will go to a family or very close friend, a family member or a really close friend. With all of that being said, like I said, it is going to be slow going. We have about 10 pieces to fit into that puzzle, but we are so excited. We feel so blessed. And we are so excited to take you guys along this journey with us. The move, the build, all of the new. We are so excited to have you guys on this journey with us. With what is to come up on my channel, as you guys know, I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and all things kind of in between with my story on my multiple sclerosis journey. All of those things will still stay. However, there is going to be a lot more decluttering, a lot of packing, and probably some tears, probably, you know, videos scattered sporadically that don't really seem to fit in. But I want you guys to know I am not giving up on my channel during this time. There might be a week here that I only post one video, or a week where I don't post at all. But that is not because I don't want to be posting. It is just because things didn't fall into place how they should for me to be able to post. But I am so thankful for each and every one of you guys. I, could not be more excited to share this journey with you guys. I know that everybody who has followed me from May of 2020 to now has known something has been up just because of how vague I have been in my videos. You guys have seen the boxes, you guys have seen me pack, you guys have seen all of these things. But I know that you guys are absolutely going to love every single thing that I'm going to be bringing to you on this journey. If there are things that you guys want to see me declutter, put them in the comments. If there are things that you guys want to see me clean, put it in the comments. If there are videos that you guys want to see along the way, put it in the comments. I will put them on my list. If I can do them, I will do them. If I cannot do them, I will let you guys know that it is just not an option for me to be able to do those videos. Anyways, this video is longer than I wanted it to be, but I did want all of my family, foremost, to know what is going on with our family. I wanted my friends who are near and far to know what is going on with my family, and I wanted my new YouTube friends to be a part of this journey with me, with my family, and with my friends that are near and far. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this, let you guys know how much I love you. I hope that if you are new here, you choose to subscribe, ring that bell, give this video a thumbs up, and give us some love down in the comments. I would absolutely love some purple, orange, and red hearts down spammed in the comment section. Alrighty guys, until next time, I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.